Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into the Harbor Freight website and checking out the coupon deals that they have going on for just the next couple days. So if you guys see anything you guys are interested in, make sure you pick it up soon because the sale ends on Sunday, October 30th. So just a couple days left to get these. Now keep in mind, we'll start seeing more deals and more coupons coming soon as we come up on more holidays and stuff. And also keep in mind, as I go through this, I'm not going to point out everything. I'm just going to go over some things I find interesting or think would be worth the purchase. Keep in mind when I say, this item's priced pretty decently, keep in mind that prices of everything are just ridiculously high compared to what they used to be. So some items are just, up in price, and there's not really much we can do about that. So when I say it's a good deal or it's a pretty decent deal, what I mean is it's a pretty decent deal for right now. So looking at the first few coupons, we have the metal socket rails, normally $1.50 down to $1. They're your generic socket rails. I don't care too much for this style. They're very cheap. I don't care for how they hold sockets, really. There's a lot better out there, but I mean, it's $1. So if you have a bunch of sockets or whatnot laying on your workbench, or that's where you keep them, or you have a cheap toolbox, then yeah, you could probably screw it into that or screw it into the workbench. Or if there's just sockets that you want to throw in a little bag that you want to take to the junkyard or something like that, like things like this, it's okay for. But to permanently put them in my box, I don't want to hold the rail and pull the socket off every single time, and I'm not going to screw them into my toolbox. Maybe if I had a cheaper toolbox, something like that, then okay, maybe, but it all depends on your situation, what you're going to use them for. Then the 4-piece funnel set for $1, I think that's a fantastic deal. I've bought them a couple times. Somehow I always manage to misplace the smallest one, but that's besides the point. This is normally $1.40 down to $1, so not a whole lot of savings on these first few because, they're already really cheap items, but that funnel set is definitely a good purchase. The super glue, it's decent. It's always nice to have super glue around, especially if you can get a 3-pack for $1. That's decent. Zip ties are controversial when it comes to Harbor Freight. If you're using them around anything with extreme heat or really holding something of weight or anything like that, they're not the best. They do have their place. They're very cheap, $2 down from $3. And if you're organizing wires, as long as it's not around extreme heat, or maybe you're just doing wire control for your computer, your TV, your entertainment stand or anything like that, these zip ties are fantastic. If you're going to be working around any exhaust or anything like that, you might want to get something a little bit better quality. But overall, I haven't had a bad experience with the Harbor Freight zip ties. The 6-inch quick release bar clamp for $3. I personally, this isn't the one that I have. I have their, gray and black, just standard bar clamp. I do not like them. I've had 4 of them, and 2 of them immediately stripped out. I can't actually clamp onto anything. It'll ratchet, but as soon as it applies any pressure, it just gives out. Just not a good experience with those. $3 for a 4-piece magnetic hook set. Not a bad deal there. Got a couple other items here. Like I said, I'm not going to mention everything. You can find utility knives everywhere for about this price. The moving blankets, I do believe, are a good deal. $4, normally $5. Either way, it's really handy to just have moving blankets around, whether you're maybe you have an SUV or a car and you're loading stuff into it to protect your vehicle. You can throw one of these down, things like that, especially for $4. Batteries, that's another controversial thing. It all depends on what you use it for. If it's something that's going to be used a lot, probably not the best idea. Kids' toys that you may use, once a month, probably not a remote control car or anything like that, because these batteries do not last very long. But if it's something that's just, used every once in a while, they're okay for $5. Ammo box for $5. This is a plastic one. These aren't a bad deal, especially if you have miscellaneous items laying all over the garage or, around nuts and bolts and just miscellaneous different things. I keep chunks of fuel hose, maybe wiring, fasteners. They're great for all sorts of things. Ammunition. Here they have a camouflage all-purpose weather-resistant tarp for $5. Here they have a 10-foot extension cord indoor-outdoor. It's not very long. It's only $6 though, down from $7. Some cleaning towels. These little colored sockets. Now they also have the just standard chrome color as well, but $9, it's not a bad deal, down from $12. I actually picked these up because I don't use a whole lot of 12 point, but I want to have 12 point on hand, and this was one of the first sets I bought. I'm not really ever applying a lot of torque. I hardly ever use them. I've probably had them for 5 years here at home, and I've probably used them a handful of times, but I knew I wouldn't be using 12 point all that much, but I knew it was best to have some around, and so I went the cheap route, and they've done just fine. Now, if I knew I was going to be working with 12 point a lot, it'd be a different story. I'd probably go up in quality, but for just very minimal use, these have been really good for me, especially for $9. I think that's a good deal. Here we have the 30-inch 5-drawer service cart. If you guys haven't heard of it, I don't know where you've been. This is literally probably one of the best buys at Harbor Freight, in my opinion. Multiple different colors available now. I love the white and the slate gray, or whatever you want to call it. Those are the two options I would choose. That's just me, though. But they have a lot of different colors available. It is $250 down from $290. Keep in mind, price has gone up on this thing. It's still a killer deal. We'll probably see it closer to the $200 price range as we get closer to the holidays. But overall, I still think this is a really good buy. You won't really find another service cart this size with its functionality and setup anywhere around this price. All the other service carts are probably $400, $500, and the other ones that are around the $200 range are of much lower quality. So I think this is a really good bang for your buck. 3-ton low-profile jack, $155 down from $185. Prices went up in the last few years. I think I picked mine up for just at like $100 if I remember correctly. Here they have a 56-inch US General double bank roller cabinet for $850 down from $920, and they also have it available in a variety of different colors as well. The US General boxes, not just the service cart, but the boxes I think are priced very well for what you get. Another moving blanket for $5 down from $6. Here's the 2.5-ton aluminum jack for $180 down from $210. Just some of the other options. I'm just gonna kind of scoot through some of these. Bauer 14-gallon shop vac for $100. Not a bad deal there, down from $110. Just keep in mind there's a lot of other brands out there that are around this exact same price as well, so it's not like you're saving a whole lot of money by going to Harbor Freight for this shop vac. Assorted bungee cords, $6, just handy to have around. Definitely not the highest quality stuff, but still you need to strap something down. If you're going to be using bungee cords all the time, probably not. Bauer 8-amp 4.5-inch angle grinder for $35. I haven't used personally the Harbor Freight vices, but I haven't heard very many good things about them, so I can't really say much about that except for I haven't heard many good things about them. Bauer modular rolling toolbox. I mean, this is priced roughly about the same as what you're going to find at Home Depot and Lowe's. I mean, unless you're going with the expensive pack out. So once again, not really a big difference in price there compared to some of the big competitors. Fully polished combination wrench set, 9-piece set for $7 down from $10. No, it's not going to be the greatest quality. It's not going to have the greatest finish, but junkyard set, maybe you're a DIYer that does very little work. Beater set, you're not going to be upset if you lose a wrench. I mean, $7 for a little set, that's not a bad deal. Just don't expect anything, high quality. They can still be beat up and take a beating pretty well, though. 6-inch bench grinder from Bauer for $45. A Braun 18,000 lumen LED detachable work light for $100 down from $125. These little heat guns are actually pretty decent, especially for $10 down from $17. Heat guns very handy to have. And if you use it once a year, once every 3 years, I mean, $10, it's just another one of those tools that's really handy to have around just in case. Grant's compact detail seat for $60. This is a pretty good price. I'm not sure. I haven't personally used this. I know the design, though, and for the price, I think that's a pretty good deal. Some of these detailing seats get very expensive, so whether you're doing detailing or working on a car, this is still a very handy seat to have. It's got a lot of different compartments and everything, so as long as the quality's there, I think that's a good purchase. Digital inspection camera for $65. The security bit set, keep in mind, these bits are not the best quality. Don't expect them to last forever, but for $7 down from $10, you get a wide variety of little bits there, 100 pieces. Not a bad deal. Just keep in mind, if you're using these things all the time or doing any sort of strenuous work with them, you can't be upset when they round off or break. But I think for $7, that's not a bad deal. This folding platform truck is a pretty good deal. $35 down from $40. It's pretty handy if you're moving anything large around. It can make really easy work of it, or if you have a lot of things to move, this can just be really handy. A lot of things from Harbor Freight are just, maybe things that you're not using all the time, but things that aren't very expensive that you may use every once in a while and are just going to make your life a lot easier and less of a headache by having these items on hand, or items that you're not going to be really disappointed in if something bad happens to them or you lose them or anything like that. And then they got a $17 full-size glue gun from Bauer, down from $20. I don't know why these are separated, but all right. I think we saw this one up above, $24 for the string lights and $10 for the security solar powered lights here. So a few good deals going on. I just figured I'd share these deals with you guys and my thoughts on some of them before this sale ends or the last day is Sunday, October 30th. So just keep that in mind. If there's anything on here that you guys would be interested in, make sure to pick it up before October 30th or wait around for some hopefully better deals going on as we get closer to the holidays. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on some of these items, whether you've had good experiences or bad experiences. I'd like you to share those with other viewers just in case they're thinking about making one of those purchases. So once again, if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.